What is up, guys? Welcome back to the BT Cars. Hope you're having an amazing day. Hold on, no, that ain't, no.
That's good.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the BT Cars. Hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, we're going to be checking out this amazing ride-along event in Provo Town Center Mall. Cannot wait. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on post notifications. You'll get notified as soon as we upload a brand new video.
I'm more excited.
Oh, yeah. No,
Yep.
I'm more excited.
No.
Sorry, guys. No, I'm more excited. So we are going to be riding in a 800 horsepower Z06 Corvette and a convertible Dodge Viper. I cannot wait to film this. And let's get right into the video. First, before we go to the ride-along, we gotta eat our chicken. Alright.
Chicken? I came for this.
Yeah. And sadly, the food is gone, but
It's gone.
we're closer to the ride-along. I
Let's do
cannot
it.
wait, so stay tuned. We'll see you guys there. Alright, we have made it here to the ride-along, guys. I cannot wait. Oh, I'm super excited to film this, guys. I cannot wait.
Get a ride in 5 Vipers.
Oh.
5. Look at those.
Look at this. Oh, 2 Vipers. Oh my gosh, this is insane, guys. Viper Day here in Utah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, listen to that. Dodge Viper. What as well. Right there, look at this thing. Look at this massive wing. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely sick. This is the one I rode in last time. If you haven't seen the last 2 ride-alongs, 2 links below, so. Oh yeah. I'm definitely riding in that one. Got the blue color. Check this blue color out, guys. Look at that. Those are proper sparkles right there. Oh. Comment below what Viper is your favorite. If I had to choose, I like that orange one, but I don't know. Comment below, guys.
Loves his orange one.
There it is, the orange one. Definitely riding in this one, guys. 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Tom, huh?
Yeah.
You're nuts.
Oh yeah.
Supercharged Z06. Let's go. This thing's a beast. Look at that.
up, my man?
What up? What's going on?
How's it going, bud?
Oh yeah. Hold on,
The old bite, huh?
Yep.
I got it.
All right.
Right on, you ready for this?
Yep.
Was it supposed to go slow?
Hold on. Yes. No. All right. Here we go, guys.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. That's so sick. Oh.
You
Oh
okay,
my
bud?
God. Yeah. That's... Oh, dude.
Guess I need to cool it out there.
Oh my God. Oh, dude. Dude, oh my gosh. Dude. Dude. Oh my gosh. That's sick.
One more, bud. Here we go.
Alright. Here we go. One last one. Last one. Oh. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. That was so sick, dude. Thank you so much.
I think that's probably one of my last runs.
Oh, nice.
Oh, here, go ahead.
Dude.
Good.
Alright, now my dad is going in. Z06 right here. Oh my gosh, this sounds absolutely insane, guys.
It's not even an upgraded cost.
I know. It's insane.
Is that your favorite? Is that your favorite?
Yeah, probably. So, that sounds absolutely insane. That's not even a custom exhaust. How was it? That's awesome.
Perma smile.
Yes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell. Also, comment down below what car is your favorite. If I had to choose, I couldn't choose, guys. I seriously cannot choose. I love them all. Cannot wait for the next video. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video. I'm riding in an orange... WeRide's orange Dodge Viper. If you haven't seen WeRide YouTube channel, click the link below. And also, if you haven't seen the last two videos of me riding in the last two ride-alongs, and click the two links below. So I cannot wait. So hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.